Kenshi Upper Primary School ngidan yai Kamanda Charlie Khong Mauro. Seven Brothers Secondary School ngidan yai Kamanda Rapne Banda. Namtana Saint Dominic Xavier School Boys ngidan yau Shlur Kupar. Namtana Saint Dominic Xavier School Girls ngidan yai Kamanda dari Nala. Namta nagakensi Presapa Primary School ngidan yai Kamanda Ban Shan Lam. Namta nagakensi Presbyterian Church ngidan yai Babit Por Marwen. Nagabalang Sarong Demtring ngidan yai Kamanda Shining. Nagabalang kensi Tem ngidan yai Kamanda Mark Davis. Nagabalang kensi Laukse ngidan yai Kamanda Event Star. Nagabalang Pengri ngidan yai Kamanda Pendapur Karkrang. Nagabalang Seruang ngidan yai Kamanda Winchester. Nagabalang Permadan Presbyterian Church ngidan yai Kamanda Sambor Sum. Commander in Chief Jongi Uday Mr. Ivan Jun Palier Jonga Kenshi Higher Secondary School. Idan yaki dramas kibari bantem nakabentagan iga match pass. Nalari linggo, Napisha linggo, Lawan Suk linggo, yung Kenshi Higher Secondary School. Ki judge nakabentagan match pass, yung ki school, at yung ki balang. Idan yay Reverend AI Karshiyem, wat kumjuru yay teman basan. Sambor ng cloud. Nama, kasi gompoy, yung ito man basang ship meeting no. Kinikin judge, yung match pass.